This Soulaca 43 inches smart mirror television delivers crisp 4K ultra-high-definition visuals that look surprisingly rich, even in bright, steamy bathrooms or glossy kitchens. The panel doubles as a frameless mirror when switched off, so it blends into modern decor instead of dominating the room like a conventional television. Its IP65 rated construction shrugs off humidity, splashes, and everyday dust, making it a practical choice for bathrooms, near bathtubs, or over kitchen counters. Built-in speakers provide clear, full sound for everyday viewing, and Bluetooth support lets you pair external speakers if you want a more cinematic audio setup. With webOS, built-in Alexa, Wi-Fi, and voice control, navigation feels quick and intuitive, and it is easy to launch streaming apps or adjust settings without hunting for buttons. Flexible mounting options, including in-wall installation and VESA compatibility, make it straightforward to integrate this television cleanly into a wide range of spaces.